Hi, my name is Perez-Roura. I'm an attorney here in Miami, Florida, specializing in estate planning and probate. Specifically, I help business owners and real estate investors protect the life that they've built, the wealth that they've built for themselves and their families. This is part one of a video series explaining what estate planning is all about. We're going to break it down primarily into three big questions. Estate planning can be understood like this, right? First is answering probably the number one question that people come to me with is, what happens with my stuff the day that I pass away? Who does it go to? How can I get it to them? Do they have to go to court? All of those questions. The second question is something that's a little bit more difficult to imagine or to think about, which is, while I'm alive, I become mentally unable to make decisions for myself. Well, who can make medical decisions for me, right? If I'm in the hospital, who's authorized to tell the doctors what to do or not to do for me? And the third question is the same situation, right? I'm mentally unable to make decisions for myself. Well, in that situation, unfortunately, bills don't stop. Life outside of the hospital continues happening. So the problem that comes up is, well, who can manage my money? Who can manage my property? If I have a business, who can manage my business? And so the way that we answer these questions is really through in two ways, right? One is a series of legal documents, which is really what our firm does. A series of legal documents such as wills and trusts and powers of attorney. And so that's one way that we answer those questions. And the other way we answer those questions is by looking at our clients' financial lives or their lives overall, seeing what they own, what they have, and seeing if there are any changes that can or should be made to make sure that the legal documents and our clients' lives really come together in one integrated overall plan. Right? So the process really, it's not so hard to accomplish. What it really requires is understanding what needs to be decided or what should be decided, and then putting it all together. And that's really where we come in. We help our clients, guide our clients through that process of understanding the possibilities, understanding the options of how to create their plan, and then ultimately, drafting the legal documents and making those changes necessary so that our clients' lives are, set up in such a way that should life throw a curveball their way, the family is really prepared and set up to deal with the legal issues that come up seamlessly, right? So our clients have that peace of mind that, God forbid something happens to them, whether it be an illness or an accident, the family is set up and doesn't have to worry about the logistics and the legal side of these issues. So as I said, this is part one of the series. The very next video is going to answer that first question of what happens with my stuff the day that I pass away.